Hey guys, if you're considering getting a subwoofer for your car, maybe you don't have quite enough room in there, don't want to take up extra room in your trunk, anything like that, you need to check this one out here. This is a slim under the seat subwoofer. It's a 10-inch subwoofer. Cool thing about this one here is that you can install it not only under your seat, you could install it in the back seat, somewhere like that. It does have these different lights. So if it was under your seat or wherever you're going to mount it, it's going to give a nice little light show there for you. It does have 7 different colors. It can be controlled off of an app on your phone as well. So again, this is a 10-inch, 1200 watt slim under the seat subwoofer. Let's take a look at it. Unfortunately, due to Amazon's new regulations with regards to music, cannot play any music in this video, which really is a bummer. I can't show you that. However, I do want to just kind of give you a good overview of the product. So my first impressions of this, has a good weight to it, made out of high quality material here. The material that they use to make this does dissipate heat. Has this really cool design. It has a spider on it and it looks like it has the web there, so it gives it a pretty cool look. Really wanted to show you all the stuff that this comes with, that you have everything pretty much that you're going to need. This speaker level converter here converts car stereo speaker outputs to RCA outputs. So that's what you're going to get there. Really want to show you the wiring that you get. Very nice, super thick insulated wire. You also get your grounding wire here as well. Very well insulated. Super thick and easy to move. So you can, very easily put this wiring and hide it wherever you want to. Really like the coloring of all the wiring that you get here too. Very high end. And then this will plug right in to the back of this. You can easily mount this right underneath your dash. And you can then power it on and adjust the level of just the subwoofer, so you do not have to constantly raise up the volume and work it on your car stereo. You can take care of this all by itself. Give you a real up close of all the connection ports here. This is 13.5 inches tall. It's going to be 10.2 inches wide, just 2.67 inches in its thickness. So if you're looking for a subwoofer to go underneath your car, behind the seat, or you can still even put this directly into the trunk, check this one right here out. Should meet all your needs.